Wait, you gotta feel it, you gotta ride with it. Halo, 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 halo. What is up, guys? Welcome back to our channel.
Today's a super exciting day because obviously we have our best friend Cassidy with us, and we are going to be doing a taste test video for you guys.
And it's not only just taste testing ice cream today, you guys. We are test tasting vegan ice cream, you guys. So our friend Cassidy, she's been a vegan for what? How long?
It's been a little over 3 years now.
3 entire years, you guys. So she's the one that kind of convinced us to start going vegan. So we've been kind of exploring our vegan lifestyle.
We've been dipping our toes in the vegan water.
And I think like what? There's how many different kinds of vegan ice creams are out there?
Ooh, I probably tried like 5 brands. I tried a little bit of everything because there's almond, coconut. There's always
so she's pretty much like a vegan ice cream expert. She's an ice connoisseur. I would say you're like, you know, a good candidate to let us know if these vegan ice creams are good, because before this, we haven't tried many vegan ice creams. I tried 1, maybe 2.
A few here and there.
We're trying HALOTOP today. Halo, 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 halo.
So we're super excited because HALOTOP is known for having like really low calorie, healthy ice cream, like guilt-free. So when we found out that they were releasing an entire vegan line of ice cream, we were like, Halo, yes.
Halo, hello.
They actually have 7 different flavors, and we're gonna just taste all of them, and we're just gonna tell you our thoughts and if we think they're worth it, and if we think you should just like start eating vegan ice cream, because why not?
7 also happens to be like our lucky number, so this is gonna be so much fun. And we've also tried the non-vegan version. Remember when we tried that chocolate one time?
We have.
It was really good. So we're gonna see like how these compare and just how they compare in general to normal ice cream. So like, I don't know, let's just taste them, right?
All right, so let's just start with the one I have in my hand. This is the chocolate covered banana.
What?
So it's only 320 calories. It's
Which is
dairy
pretty
free.
good.
It's soy free. So like,
Ooh.
this looks so like whipped and like,
Oh my gosh, you guys, I am so excited to try this. It's funny because we actually have had all of these ice creams in our freezer for like, I don't know, 3 weeks.
And like we've not touched them one time.
We're like, we have to try them during the taste test. We're opening all of these on camera so that way it's like, you know, we want to
Oh, and these are made with coconut milk, in case you guys are wondering. So it's very creamy.
It's soft. It's soft. It's not like hard.
Wow. Whoa. Automatically tastes banana.
Holy banana. Holy banana.
It has a swirl of chocolate right in the middle, too.
That's trippy.
But you know,
it's good. I'm not a huge banana ice cream person. Like Kiefer loves banana. Like the chunky monkey is his number 1.
That is banana.
It's bananas.
It's delicious.
It's really good. I like it. What do you guys think?
I think it has
kind of
really good
reminds me
flavor.
of banana Laffy Taffy in a way.
Oh my god, Laffy Taffy!
Okay, so
let's do a rating for you guys. 1 out of 10. What do you guys say?
I'd give this one a 7 only because I'm not like a banana ice cream person typically. I love it, but it's not like my favorite.
Okay.
This was really, really good.
I'm gonna say a 6 for me because I think it tastes like, kind of like Laffy Taffy, and it's throwing me a little bit, but it's still really good.
I would give it about a 6 too.
6?
Okay.
Okay.
So next we have Oatmeal Cookie.
Woo-woo.
This one is 320 calories. Again, dairy free, soy free, made with coconut milk.
Bomb.com.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
And this is 320 calories per pint, not per serving.
How many grams of sugar is per serving?
This has 4 grams of sugar.
What? 4 grams? That's
a lot of
good.
the vegan ice creams do have like 13 will be one of your lower ones. 13.25 for the Ben and Jerry.
25
per serving. And
Ben and Jerry, what are you doing over
you know
there?
you're gonna eat like at least half of one of these.
Oh no,
exactly.
So it's like 4 grams of sugar. Is
So oatmeal,
wait, what is this again?
Oatmeal Cookie.
Oatmeal Cookie.
Okay, so this one isn't as frothy.
This one's definitely harder, like thicker, harder.
Oatmeal freaking cookie. Trip out.
Whoa.
It's really light. Like I don't know, I was feeling like it was gonna be more rich for some reason.
Yeah, very light.
It has those little oat pieces.
What does that taste like?
Yeah, you have literal pieces of oat. I'm tasting the oat. It doesn't have like a ton of flavor. Oh, sorry, I just spilled ice cream on her.
Yeah, there's not a ton of flavor.
This would probably be really good with like cookies or a piece of pie or something.
Something where you don't want to overpower whatever you're eating.
That's
very
a
neutral,
pie.
very neutral, but
Ice cream.
still.
But
we keep dropping ice cream on her.
sorry.
Sorry.
I'm gonna say 6 again. Is that?
I'm gonna say 7 again.
A 6 again too.
Okay.
I would say if there was like chocolate chips or like something else
It
in
needs some
there,
chocolate
I'd be a
chips
little
for
bit higher,
sure.
but
Or like cookie pieces or something.
yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
let's get crazy.
Still really good though.
We're gonna go with cinnamon roll.
Cinnamon
I've been very
roll.
intrigued with this one. This one is 360 calories, so a little bit more than the previous. Again, dairy-free, soy-free, made with coconut milk. This one has 6 grams of sugar, so this one's a little bit more if you're trying to get crazy, you know?
Roll it out. Here it goes. Number
Very,
2.
very creamy.
Soft, very soft. I almost blew on it. I said,
Wow. I like the texture a lot.
I don't think I like this.
I think it needs more cinnamon. I don't get cinnamon roll. I've had like, there's a few different snickerdoodles from other brands
Let me
that I
get
like
one
a
more
lot,
taste.
so I would feel like it would taste kind of like that, but it doesn't. It doesn't.
This tastes like dough to me.
Kind of like dough.
Just too doughy. Hold on.
that tastes nothing like a cinnamon roll to me. It honestly more tastes like a raw cinnamon dough ice cream.
Too doughy. But if you like doughy, you would like this.
What do you rate it?
dough. Like, I would give it like a 4.
I'd give this one
I was gonna
Sorry.
say 4.
Okay, I have a really, really good feeling about this one though. This one better.
Yes,
Better not let us down.
This one is
Peanut
the
butter cup.
peanut butter cup.
How could
320
you go with a
calories.
peanut butter cup, right? Can you go on a peanut butter cup?
This one
I guess
has
Just like
4 grams of
chocolate
sugar.
peanut butter. You just can't mess it up.
Okay, I have high hopes.
High hopes.
High hopes.
High hope.
Okay.
High hopes. Peanut butter swirl.
Yes.
Very soft again. I'm noticing a soft. Whoa, whoa. Are you seeing this? It's
Okay.
like a big piece of peanut butter.
This is good.
That's good because it's light and chocolatey. It's not super rich.
Let me get like.
I didn't get much peanut butter, but
Try like maybe. Wow.
I like this.
Wow.
but I'm struggling.
This is
Wow.
This is good.
Wow.
This is the peanut butter cup.
This one is peanut butter cup.
I wish it had chunks of chocolate in it. I think that would be iconic.
I got some peanut butter. So much better.
Wow.
I like this one.
This one is the best so far. One more bite.
I had a feeling.
One more bite.
Can't mess up chocolate peanut butter.
I knew you couldn't mess up the chocolate peanut
This
butter.
one's
right?
good. Chocolate peanut butter. Try this one.
10 out of
Sure,
10.
guys. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10, honestly.
Okay.
Nice.
So let's do. So this one is caramel macchiato. Very.
You're a good one for this. She's a coffee fanatic. You should have seen her earlier. She was having withdrawals. Okay, I'm ready.
They're real big.
So I'm noticing a lot of them have like the swirl in the middle.
Little swirl effect.
So that must
Just
be
nice
caramel.
because it's like, say you don't want as much caramel.
Vegan ice creams, do you notice, usually typically more soft? Because
No,
I feel like
it totally depends. So with this is coconut milk, which is really interesting because a lot of the coconut milk ones that I've tried are a lot more icy, which is
Ooh,
what I don't really
interesting.
like. Like with the So Delicious coconut, it's really icy, but like with the almond milk, it's a lot more creamy usually, or with cashew milk, it's a lot creamier.
Yeah, this is super
but
creamy.
I like this how it is super creamy like
I feel like these are the
It's
kind of
very,
ice cream.
fluffy.
And with the Ben and Jerry's, that one I believe might be coconut milk, but it's super like it's thick.
Bro, yeah, it's like harder.
Yeah.
This
Okay,
might
okay,
be my
okay,
favorite.
That's really good.
It tastes like a Snickers.
Wow.
It does.
This
Wow.
tastes like straight Snickers.
Wow.
Caramel macchiato one.
This tastes really good.
I think this one might be my favorite so far, which is so weird because I did not expect
too.
that.
The only thing I don't
Wow.
usually like about like caramel or like things like that is they'll be so rich. And
Yeah.
you feel like
No,
you only
this
have
is
like
so
2 or 3 bites.
No,
this
this-
one I feel like it's light, so you feel like you can have more of it.
This one legit tastes like a Snickers to me.
That
For
one's
sure.
bomb.
Just need
That
some,
one's
like,
bomb.
Love this one.
What do you say?
Yeah.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
I'm gonna say a 9.
I think it's my favorite.
But it's
we'll
really
see though.
good.
We got 2 more.
It's like
That
some kind
tastes
of
just
crunchy
like a
something
caramel
inside.
macchiato.
You know,
from
I
Starbucks,
think
though.
all of these need a
I used
crunch.
to get those all the time.
I love a crunch.
Yeah, I'm a crunch person too.
Okay, so this is sea salt caramel. So I'm interested to see
Okay,
how
okay.
different this could be
Saltier.
from that one. I don't typically like
I'm
salted
intrigued.
things
I'm
like this
intrigued.
either, but here we go.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Again, same consistency.
This one's a little firmer, I'm noticing.
A little bit firmer.
A little bit firmer.
Almost.
Are they the same?
No. It's a little different.
No, this has like,
Yeah. This one tastes more like caramel popcorn.
yes.
Caramel popcorn.
This one was Snickers, this one's caramel,
Caramel popcorn.
I like this one too.
That caramel popcorn we have in there, similar.
Yes.
Yes.
Caramel popcorn.
I like this.
This is good. I like
It's really good. This would be really good with pie.
It's not my favorite. I would say
8.
I would say an 8 for me, but if I was someone who liked it, 10. 10.
Really great
Really good.
consistency, really
The
great flavor.
the flavor's there in all of them.
Yeah.
So the only thing that makes my number lower is if I like it or not, but I feel like the flavor across them all are really
These are really good. I'm actually
really there.
I'm really impressed.
All right,
and they're super like guilt-free because
Totally
it's not
guilt-free.
as crazy as everything else. If you're gonna eat ice cream, do it this way.
Last guy we have here is good old-fashioned chocolate. How could you go wrong with chocolate?
You can't mess up chocolate, right?
Chocolate. So
It's like the chocolate peanut butter.
open her up.
You know, it's interesting. Oh, 280. Okay, so this is like the lowest calorie count too. This is like
4 grams of sugar.
This looks like basically drinking water. Look it, I'm serious.
Look it. All right, ready?
Oh,
This one's very soft too. This is like a soft
I
serve.
didn't say that.
Tastes like a fudgesicle.
So good, fudgesicle,
Soft serve,
100%.
fudgesicle,
This is so good.
fudgesicle in soft serve form.
Obviously, chocolate is my favorite. If you didn't know that, now you know. So
Good. This is really good.
so good.
It's very light. I think that's what I like about all of these. It's like, it kind of reminds me of those dryers, you know, they do have the extra churned or like double
whipped.
churned where there's like, you know, it's a lot lighter and like not so heavy and dense.
Yeah,
I love it. It makes it feel just like you could eat the whole thing.
10 out of 10, 100%.
This one's 10 out of 10 for me.
So good.
Okay, so obviously they were all bomb, I think.
I think so
I
too.
think they were all bomb. Liked some more than others.
I think you guys should definitely explore the vegan ice cream option
100%.
because like
100%.
they're so good. You half the time like this chocolate one you probably honestly would not even know that it's vegan.
You
So
can literally probably be like, oh, here you go, it's not vegan. And someone would probably be like, wow. And you'd be like, it's vegan.
exactly. I think my favorite one was the chocolate or the peanut butter cup or the caramel macchiato, strangely.
Mine was hands down peanut butter cup. Is that what it's called?
No.
Peanut butter cup.
I almost said peanut butter chocolate chip.
No,
Peanut butter cup, 10 out of 10 was my number 1. If I had number 2 though, I would say the caramel macchiato, I think.
What about you?
Peanut butter cup was for sure my favorite, but I'm just
Peanut butter cup wins across the board with us.
What do you
then,
think
yeah, I
compared to
guess
others?
yeah, the caramel macchiato. I really like the sea salt too, but the caramel macchiato was
Yeah, they're all freaking bomb. So thank you so much, HALOTOP, for sending these to us to do this for you guys because we are so excited to start like exploring more of the vegan world, especially with you guys because we haven't always been vegan, and so we're kind of dipping our toes thanks to our vegan pal here.
And
also.
she has showed us so many amazing vegan recipes that literally
Iconic
are my
recipes.
favorites. I don't even know how I went with like life without these recipes. So if you
Yeah.
guys want to see some of those recipes and what we've been eating lately, definitely let us know in the comments
Yeah, if
below.
you guys want to watch us all cook together,
we could chef it up
we'll
for you
cook.
guys.
Like, we'll totally cook. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you like videos like this and want to see us taste testing other things, then let us know in the comments below.
And we will see you guys next time.
Bye.